Ladies and gentlemen, dear friends and guardians of Earth, today we come together under the powerful banner of our power, our planet, a theme that is not just a slogan but a wake up call. It reminds us that the future of our beautiful planet lies not in the hand of time but in our own. The earth does not belong to us, we belong to the earth. These words by Chief Seattle echo louder than ever today. Look around. What do you see? Mountains that stand tall but cry in silence? Oceans that once danced, now drawn in plastic? Forests that once breathed, now gossip for air? And still, the earth keeps giving. The sun keeps rising. The rain keeps falling. The flowers keep blooming. Even when we fail her, Mother Earth never fails us. So, what is our power? Our power is in the choices we make every single day. Our power is planting a tree instead of cutting one, in choosing a reusable bottle over a plastic one, in walking or cycling instead of polluting rides. Our power lies not in doing everything, but in everyone doing something. The greatest threat to our planet is the belief that someone else will save it, said Robert Swan. No, the planet does not need a hero. It needs all of us, united, aware, and active. Let me share a short poem to awaken our hearts. This earth, our cradle, our only home. Not Mars, not star, not galaxy's dome. What we destroy may not return. Let this be the lesson we finally learn. Raise your voice, reduce the waste, heal the world, no time to waste. The power is ours, the time is now. To serve the earth, we must learn how. And remember, we would not inherit the earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children. So let's promise to protect what we love, to heal what we have hurt, to restore what we have ruined. Because this planet is not just our responsibility, it is our reflection. Thank you.